in 4 Shopkins Season 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a number from here, and the uneven numbers are going to be Animal Jam, and the even numbers are going to be Shopkins Season 5. So mix it up, and let's see what we got. We have a 5, so that means an uneven number. So we're going to open up an Animal Jam, and I either cut slits or took off the wrap so that it would be a lot easier to open them for you. So, excuse me, while I open it. So we got this little elephant, and she's really cute. I mean, she comes with wings. Okay, so we have an elephant that comes with wings and her people. And then it also comes with a code, which I'm not going to scratch off because I don't want to show you guys. And then we have this. And at the end of the video, I will tell you everybody that we got. But for now, we're just going to open them. So 4 means an even number, which means we're going to open up a Shopkins Season 5. So let's take the mask off. So pop them open. We got a new Shopkins for my collection. It's Orange Tasty Toast. We have extra plastic on there. We have Bessie Baseball, and her paint feels really glossy. Very nice. Yay! New ones for our collection. Oh, wait, sorry. We got the number 8, so I actually was right. We do have one of these. Oh no. Okay, yeah, I do have this one. This makes it a lot faster because I feel like I spent half of my video just taking plastic off. So I apologize for that. Ooh, got more than I thought. More bags. Yay. Oh, wow, this is Hillary Harp in this pinkish kind of reddy color. Here she is. And our next blind bag. I hope you guys don't see the trash over there. Ooh, this is, oh, excuse me, I'm putting away trash. This is Melty Moment. We're going to put him as his friend. And this one is in the music collection, and I don't know what collection this one's in, because there's so many big collections. So, next paper. We have a 7, so that means Animal Jam. So where did I tear this one? Please tell me I teared it. Okay, I'm just going to open up the one that I know I teared. Oh my goodness, I am so sorry. Okay. Who did we get? Oh my gosh, we got like a little lizard. So cute. My friend, she would love this. She has her own window. So. And what does Mr. David come with? He comes with a not a butterfly, a ladybug. Probably can't see it right now because my humongous fingers are all over it. Look at him with his little eyes and his tongue sticking out. So, and then he also comes with dog bowl, eating bowl. And Every one of those comes with a checklist. I'm just not showing you it because there's so many to collect. We'd be here for hours if I told you all. So we have number 1, which is another uneven one. So that means we have an animal jam. Just felt it. Okay. And I think you can stack in this place. It's a pig. I'm pretty sure it's a pig. My mom's looking at me like, whoa. Got our piggy. And he comes with a book. Oh, they have twins. They can be friends. You're like, oh, I have the same boy. Yay. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. You guys can't see it, but I can. It's a chef hat. That's really adorable. Whoever made Animal Jam has outdone themselves. That's another Animal Jam. I can't believe we're opening up another Animal Jam. I am terrible at opening this. Sorry. Oh, thank goodness, a terrible person. This video's probably going to be like 14 minutes then. I am so sorry. Like, I think I'm not wasting time, but did we get another lizard? No. We got a box. For sure. Oh my gosh, Mom. I got a glittery ultra rare one, I'm pretty sure. Look, you see the glitter? See it? Okay, I am such a bad person. I don't know its name. It comes with a crown. It must be special. Ooh. Refusing. Look at that beauty right there. Oh my gosh, I dropped her. Oh, and it comes with an orange bowl. Orange and green are my favorite colors. Okay, I dropped the bowl. I'm such a terrible person. 6. So we got an even. I keep saying I'm a terrible person. I'm a terrible person for saying that. I'm always disappointed with myself because I'm so unprofessional. Like Mommy used to show. Hashtag so unprofessional. So I can't even remember that. My mom looks at me, and every time I call him a terrible person, she's like, don't say that. So he's came undone, but that's okay. So this is Fun Drum, and he's a cow. Moo. Yeah, she tried to show more of it because she's awesome. Oh my gosh, I almost cut her cone off opening the bag. But this is ice cream cake. I drop everything I see. This is ice cream cake, so that was a really loud noise. So the next one's obviously gonna be this one, but I'll just take the number anyways. 2. What is wrong with me today? I'm probably just so excited because I just did my last performance for summer. Well, I'm not excited. I'm actually upset that it's over because it was really fun. Show our mess, Mom. No. She's shaking her head. No, I don't want to show it. Oh no, we got no hair strip ones. Oh my gosh. I told myself that I was not going to make a comment on the tear strip because I mean that is like, who wants to listen to me complaining about tear strips? No one. No. So we got, I can't remember anything today. We got a roller skate dude. This is the one I wanted. Okay. Polly Teapot, I'm pretty sure. I'm brainwashed today, but like, look at this. So she's like so pretty, and then she has like this green under her. It's like neon almost. I'm just so fond of it. So these are all the toys we got. We're gonna pause this video, and I can tell you know what? We're not gonna pause this video, but I'm going to tell you everyone that we got. Can you please pause the video? Oh, I just saw the. Okay. So I think I just saw one of the ones that we got. That was her. Her name is Piglet, and she's rare. Okay, because last one I got, it was common, and I thought I was like a really bad collector of these because I felt like ashamed of myself that my first one wasn't even a rare anyway. So, oh, we got a gem one. That's art. We got Arctic Wolf, who's a gem. So these Piglet and Arctic Wolf, and then the I'm so sorry. This is Gecko, and he is a rare. We're doing so good. We're doing so good. Oh wait, is this Piglet?